Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today is day 28 or 4 weeks that we did our last playlist as far as when they hatched out for our jumbo breeding program. So we've obviously, if you watched the last video, you know that we've got 4 different groups. So I've already done 3 of them. This is the 4th one that we'll do together, but I didn't want the video to be 7 hours long and me sweating and all kinds of stuff. So we're going to do these. So far, our average for our males at 4 weeks old is 7.74 ounces. And then our females are 7.9. And that's at 4 weeks old today. So what we did was I brought them out here instead of in the brooder room because it is humid in there right now. So this is all of one of the cages. This is actually cage 10. And then we've got our nifty little Amazon Basics scale. Couldn't think of the word. So we put it on ounces. I know a lot of people do grams. I don't quite understand why. I feel like ounces is easier to remember than, 240 grams, 280 grams, 480 grams, like 7, 9, 8. That's a lot easier. So we do ounces here. I would use just this little basket. I'll put it on top. As you can see, it says 4.4 ounces. So we're going to zero that out. Oops, wrong button. Go back to ounces, zero it out. And we're good to go. So it has already been calibrated for sure because I've weighed a crap ton of birds today already. So we're going to write these down. I'll go as fast as I can. And then we will average out what they are and give you a final average of all of our 4-week-old breeders. Typically, so we kind of do it 2 separate ways. If we're looking for a specific cage and what that cage is going to give us at the end of the time before we put them into the breeding program, we actually will do it this way where all these will stay together no matter what their weight is. On the same token, if we put a bunch in and we're just breeding for size, then every week that we weigh, we'll actually take out the ones that don't make weight. This time we're going to leave anything in until that final week to know what our average is for that exact cage. So as you can see on here, it'll say this is the average so far of the other 3 cages. 4 weeks old, the first time we're weighing. This is cage 10, male and female, so on and so forth. Oops. And then we'll keep going. All right. Also remember that if you have any questions about this entire program, feel free to join us every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. I'll happy to answer any questions then as well. But here we go. So it's still at 0. This is a hen. And we're looking at 8.4 ounces. As you can see, it is a hen. So we'll just put that in there. This is a male. 7.2. Now this one is, I'm going to say 6.9. So this one we would actually take out of the program. But like I said, we're actually doing the cage numbers this time. So I want to know what the exact numbers are for the cage at the end of, before they go into the breeding program. This is 7.3. I will go as fast as I can. This is a hen. Stop it. Stop it. 8.3. Pretty happy with these numbers so far considering they're 4 weeks old. That's pretty awesome. 7.7 for a hen. Now typically I would separate that one because we're hitting 8s. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of 8s, but we have quite a bit of 7s as well. This is a 7.4. So normally, again, if we're doing it just for size and getting the biggest out of the biggest, I would be separating these all into different brooders right now. But I want to know what cage 10 is going to give me at the end of this. This one is 7.8 hen. $7.7 hen. Jenna has been kind enough to video me right now. 6.9 male. Typically there would be two of us. One would be separating and writing down, the other one would be weighing. But you can only do what you can do, right? 7.5 male. 8.5 hen. I like that. Like that a lot. Remember to join us. 8.1. Remember to join us on our YouTube channel every Sunday, like I said. If you have any questions about the breeding program, we'll be happy to answer those or any other questions. I know there's quite a bit of questions on Facebook about, is this a male or a female? I can answer those questions as well. That's an 8.8 male. Is that right? That can't be right. Dear Lord, 8.8 male. That is nice. I already wrote it down. So that 8.8 male is going to be a keeper for sure. 7.8. We're almost done here. 7.8. 2 in a row. Also, we have a Facebook group called Newbie Quail Lovers. There's over 21,000 members on there. I really should stop saying numbers when I'm trying to weigh. Confusing myself. But we've got about 21,000 members on there. 7.9 hen. And if you're on Facebook, feel free to join that group if you have individual questions or group questions or want to get a census of things. That is a great group to join on Facebook. It's called Newbie Quail Lovers. And obviously, I want you to go to our Myshire page and like that as well. And this Sunday, actually, 7.4, we've got a lot of stuff going on our YouTube channel. This Sunday at 7 p.m., we're going to do our weekly live video at 7 p.m. That was an 8-ounce male. Awesome. But we're going to be introducing a new color. We'll be talking about these jumbos. 6.9. Now see, that one would be pulled, but again, we're not doing that this time. Ooh, she feels great. Whew. 9 ounces at 4 weeks old. I don't think I can ask more than that. But this Sunday at 7, we're going to be doing the 18 and under contest. We're very proud of that. If you want to know more about that, I'll be explaining it all at the beginning of our YouTube video on Sunday at 7 p.m. live. That was a 7.1 male. 6.9 male. Also, I've got a lot of surprises going on this Sunday, so this will probably be the biggest Sunday I've ever had as far as information to give everybody. So I'm very excited about that. Got a lot of things cooking, a lot of things in the works. 7.9 hen. The last one was 7.4. I don't know if I said that. The last male is going to be difficult. 7.7. So what we're going to do, let me see that phone. Thank you. Is find the calculator, which is complicated. Nope, okay. So we're going to add these up. So 7.2, 6.9, 7.3, 7.4, 7.3, 6.9, 7.5, 7.1, 8.8, 7.3, thank you, Trenton, 7.3, 7.4, 8, 6.9, 7.1, 6.9, 7.4, and 7.7. 132.4. So we're going to take 132.4 and divide it by how many is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So our average for the 4th week is 7.35. So this cage was a little bit lower than our average so far. As far as this was all males. Now our females are going to be 8.3, 7.7, 7.8, 7.7, 8.5, 8.1, 7.8, 7.8, 7.9, our big 9-ouncer, and 7.9. So this one is 96.9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divide that by 12, and we're looking at 8.075, which is a very, very nice number for a 4-week-old jumbo. Very happy about that. Pretty happy about, well, I'm happy about the 7.7 for the males. 7.3 is a little low. This will drop a little bit once I do all the numbers for the others. This one will raise a little bit, not too much because they're pretty close together. But those are the numbers so far. Again, if you have any questions, you can feel free to join me on Sunday at 7 p.m. You can also join our Facebook group, Newbie Quail Lovers. And if you're going to make any YouTube video live, this week is the week to do it because I've got a lot of information and surprises and giveaways. Just saying now, we're going to be doing a contest giveaway. There's a lot of stuff in store. So I hope that you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. And next week will be week 5 on Friday. We'll do it again. We'll do it every week until they go into the breeding program. And we'll kind of show you what we're looking at, what we're doing, and our new standard of jumbos. So until then, stay safe, and we will see you Sunday at 7 p.m. Thanks, everybody.